Winter storm Blair has struck the central U.S., impacting tens of millions with heavy snow, ice, and freezing rain. At least 60 million people are under winter weather alerts. Dangerous road conditions have shut down parts of Interstate 70 in Kansas, with multiple accidents reported. Governors of Missouri, Maryland, Kentucky, and Virginia declared states of emergency. Warning of power outages, extreme cold, and hazardous travel conditions. Over 20,000 homes and businesses are already without power, and more than 100 flights were cancelled at Kansas City International Airport due to icy runways. Blizzard warnings have been issued for parts of Kansas, northwest Missouri, and southeast Nebraska, with authorities urging residents to stay off the roads and prepare for worsening conditions.